Hello kids! Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig with a rainbow. Let's start drawing. At first, I am going to draw Peppa Pig's eyes. Then her nose. After that, I am going to draw the shape of her head. I finish her face with a big smile and a circle for her cute cheek. Then I draw these lines here for her ears. After I draw her body, I draw her arms and legs. Finally, I draw her cute, curly tail. Awesome! She looks so happy. But why? Ooh, she's going to stand in front of a beautiful rainbow. I start with the bottom of it. Then I draw 2 lines like half circles. Yes! Now I am going to divide this shape into 6 parts for the stripes of the rainbow. Yippee! Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I am going to use a pink-colored marker for Peppa's skin to bring her to life. I use light purple for her chinny chin chin. I color her dress red. Ooh, red is my favorite color. Now, let's start to color the rainbow itself. For the first stripe, I am going to use red, like a strawberry. Now I use orange for the second stripe, like a pumpkin. Ooh, this looks amazing! For the third stripe, I use yellow, like a lemon. The next stripe is going to be green, like grapes. Now I'm going to use this nice sky blue color. Last but not least, let's use purple for our last stripe. Yippee! Wow, it looks amazing! If you like this video, like it and subscribe to the channel.